Welcome back to our culinary playground. Today we're diving into the flavor of one of the most famous Asian dishes, fried rice. Yes, you heard me right. But we are going to make Indonesian fried rice with just simple ingredients from whatever we have in our kitchen. Let's get started. For this Indonesian fried rice, here's what you will need. Here we have 3 cups of cooked rice and cooled, preferably a day old. You can refer to previous video that we made before on how to make a fluffy steamed rice like this. Next, we have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can change it to avocado oil or any your favorite oil. We also have 2 cloves of garlic and 1 clove of shallot, finely minced. And we have 1 carrot slice, half cup of a mushroom, and this is green onion, but I put it in separate. Why? Because the edge part, the white part, is gonna be stir fried together with the shallot. So in Indonesian style fried rice, 2 main ingredients. One is the sweet soy sauce. This is specially made in Indonesia. It gives a brown color and kind of make it a bit charry to the rice, also caramelize the rice. So, and the other one is we call it sambal bawang. In English, it is shallot chili paste. We have another video on how to make this shallot chili paste, so you can follow on the link below. And for the dry ingredient, we're gonna need only 3. One is the pepper. I used the garlic salt. Why? It gives kind of like umami feeling. It has the granulated dried garlic in it and a bit of parsley, so it's gonna add a bit pop of flavor to our fried rice. And we're gonna also need to use the chicken bouillon like this. You can find in your grocery store nearest by you. Next is we're gonna need 2 lightly beaten eggs, so we're gonna just put them together. And lightly beaten them up and set them aside. For the protein, you can add shrimp, you can add chicken, you can add fish, you can add lamb. Indonesian is pretty free. We can use any ingredient, any protein we have in our fridge. So for today, since we are in Dallas, Texas, we're very famous for a really good steak. We have a ribeye here that I already sliced them quite thin, so it will be easy to stir fry them. And with that, we're gonna add a little bit of garlic salt, so the steak is kind of sink in with the salt for a little bit, and with a bit of pepper in it. Okay, we're gonna let them sing while we prepare the rest. Alright, let's set them aside. And you only need the following equipment. One is the wok. So this is the wok I've been using the past few years. I kind of lightly oil them with my vegetable oil earlier so they don't stick. And we're gonna need spatula for that. And most of you, if you don't have wok, I know majority of Asian household will have wok, but for those of you who don't have, you can also use the kind of frying pan. So let's get cooking. Start off by heating the wok on a medium heat. And then we add our vegetable oil. We stir together our garlic and shallot. Remember, we separate the edge of the green onion and the green part because this will add to the shallot. stir them for a few minutes to kind of let the aromatics sink in together. Next, we stir fry our vegetable. Let's start off with the carrot. After a few minutes, when we see the carrot is half cooked like this, with a little bit of softness, we add the mushroom. And we'll let it cook. So it's time to put the beaten egg. So we're gonna make a well here, and we pour the egg in the middle of everything. Let it kind of cook halfway through until we beat everything together. Alright, it's time to mix the eggs. Kind of put it together here. Mix everything together. Just like this. Oops. Just like this. Okay, next is our star of the show, the rice. Add everything in there. Let's add our soy sauce, the sweet Indonesian soy sauce, and our sambal, and we mix them together. You kind of have feel the umami flavor, the sweet soy sauce, the sambal kind of blend in together. So this is kind of halfway through, but I feel like we need additional sweet soy sauce because I like it more brown than this, more caramelized, and a bit more charry than this. So I will add in the recipe that the total sweet soy sauce we use is 4 tablespoons. So yeah, but a little bit modification from the original recipe. I'm sure my mom don't mind. And so we put the garlic salt. Add the pepper. I like pepper a lot, so I add a little extra. And chicken bouillon. Oh my god, just add chicken bouillon in any of your cooking, guys. It gives extra umami and deliciousness. Now let's mix everything together. Can you feel it already? Alright, we are almost there. You see how the sweet soy sauce make the rice have different color, and also all the charriness and caramelized underneath, kind of scooping everything, every flavor in the wok. Okay, and let's give it a a taste. It's good. Alright, so our rice is done. We add this green onion on top. Turn the heat. Mix them a little bit. And that's it. Now let's prepare our steak. We are now cooking our protein. We have the ribeye that I already sliced thinner than a regular ribeye. So I don't use oil anymore in this because the meat that we have has a lot of fat in the middle of the muscle here. So they're just gonna be our natural oil for today. Now we flip the steak. And wait another minute or so. Alright, our steak is almost done. It's the way we want it. Alright, put the meat to rest. Okay, so come check out our steak after we'll let them rest for about 1 minute or so. So let's slice them up so it's easier to eat them. See how juicy they are and tender. All the flavor gonna sink in together and all the juices gonna suck in our fried rice. Then again, guys, if you're not a fan of beef, you can replace it with shrimp, chicken breast, or if you're a vegetarian, you can just add all vegetables you like. Oh, my mother used to add tofu as well in replacing protein aspect to it. Okay. There, our steak done. Now we are plating our fried rice. This is how I love my fried rice to look like. And then we add our steak here. I love ribeye steak. Just add here. Okay. And for a hint of spiciness, because guys, I love spicy. All Indonesian love spice. Just a little bit of chili powder. A little bit chili powder everywhere. Okay, stop. So we have our fried rice, fried egg, steak, and it's not Indonesian fried rice if we don't eat it with the kerupuk. We call it kerupuk, but in English it is crackers. Yes, you can find it in Asian grocery store. It can be made from fish crackers, shrimp crackers, but this one is just tapioca crackers. So I've made a pickle on carrot and cucumber earlier. You can follow the link below. I believe my team will mention in there on how to make this pickle. This is Indonesian pickle. We eat fried rice, fried noodle. We even eat soup with this. It's gonna give a refreshing kind of vibe into all the fried things in here. So yes, we add the pickle juice. And that's it. This is Indonesian fried rice with ribeye steak made by us. So thank you for watching our channel for today. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Subscribe our channel for more delicious recipe and happy cooking.